In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Elements subscription. Open your preferred web browser and head to elements.envato.com. You can also type Envato Elements into your search bar and select the official result. Make sure the address bar shows the correct URL so you know you're on the legitimate site. On the home page, look toward the top right and click the profile icon to access the sign-in page. Enter your username or email address, then your password, and click sign in. This connects your account so your subscription will be linked correctly and your invoices will be saved. After you're signed in, locate the pricing option in the top navigation and click it. This page lays out the available plans. Take a moment to compare what works best for your needs, then choose your plan. When you're ready, click Start Now to move to checkout. You'll be prompted to pick how you want to be billed, monthly or annually. Monthly billing gives flexibility if you only need assets for a short period, while annual billing typically offers better value over the year. Choose the option that suits your workflow and budget. Next, complete your billing details. Enter your full name. If you're purchasing for a business, add your company name so it appears correctly on your invoices. Select your country so the correct tax and currency rules apply. Then fill in address line 1, your city, your state, province or region, and your zip or postal code. Make sure this information matches the billing address on file with your payment provider to avoid payment declines. Now, choose your payment method. If you're paying by credit card, click the card option. Enter your card number, then the expiry month and year exactly as they appear on the card. Add the security code, sometimes called the CVV. This is usually a 3-digit number on the back of most cards or a 4-digit code on the front of some cards. Before completing the purchase, review the order summary to confirm the plan, billing frequency, currency, and any taxes. When everything looks good, check the box to confirm you agree to the subscription terms and licensing conditions. This box also acknowledges the recurring nature of the subscription, so be sure you're comfortable with the renewal cycle you selected. Finally, click Complete Order. The payment will process, and you'll see a confirmation once it's successful. That's all there is to it. Your Envato Elements subscription is now set up and ready to use.